In my last video, I ran this Rlaarlo ROG1. Completely stock out here at my speed run location, and it went 48 miles an hour right out of the box. Impressive speeds. Today, the only thing I've changed is the pinion gear. The truck comes with a 21-tooth speedrun pinion in the box, so I went ahead and installed that, removed the stock 16-tooth pinion gear, and we'll go ahead and see if we can get up closer to 60 miles an hour on the included battery. Haven't lowered the suspension or anything yet. I just firmed up the preload a little bit, and otherwise completely stock still. I should adjust the droop screws, lower it for on-road use, but I still want to do one video running it off-road, like on a baseball field. So hopefully it's stable enough to get a good clean run in. All right, let's go ahead and get this thing together and see what kind of speeds we get out of it. Again, completely stock, just with that 21-tooth on-road gear in there. All right, guys, stay tuned. GPS is reading, track, start, and we're reading. See what we can do here. All right, easing into it. Whoops, wheelie. Another wheelie. Oh, GPS came loose. I'm having a tough time here. I have my camera set up on the remote, and it makes it hard to squeeze the trigger smoothly. So I'm gonna go ahead and just add a little weight up front for this run, and that should help me out. All right, let's go ahead and try this again. The battery's no longer completely fresh, but that's all right. It should be still pretty close to fresh. Easing into it. Full throttle. Full throttle. Look how good that's tracking. I'm having so much fun. I'm gonna do one more run. All right, solid runs there. Did we reach 60 miles an hour or close to it? 57 miles an hour with the included speed run pinion. Not bad. Probably would hit 58 had I been able to get a clean run initially, but lowering the ride height would probably have been enough to help keep the front end down, but that little bit of weight was exactly what it needed. Again, we're on the stock battery here, and very good battery they include in here. This is as strong as many of my aftermarket batteries, stronger than many, and only my strongest batteries I own are slightly more powerful than this. So good job here, Rlaarlo. Love this truck, and I'll probably combine this video running it with a 27-tooth pinion as well on the stock ESC. But that was impressive stuff for the included pinion gear. 57 miles an hour on a bone stock ROG1. Today, I put a 27-tooth pinion gear in here. The only other change I did was I did an alignment and I adjusted the suspension. Otherwise, this truck is completely stock. We're going to be running the stock battery that came in here. I'm gonna get this thing buttoned up and we'll see what it does. Okay, got the body pins in. We're gonna go ahead and go to the GPS now. We have 12 satellites. We're reading. We're gonna hit track, start, and we're reading. Again, bone stock, except for that pinion gear. I don't know why it's struggling to focus here. Oh, yeah. Full throttle. Oh, shoot. That was really squirrely. Still getting a feel for this thing. On the stock tires, it's kind of all over the place, but I think that was pretty close to full speed. Okay, stop, read, 62 miles an hour. Not bad. I was actually hoping for a little more. I think I hit 66 with my juicy, but I could be wrong. Although the ESC was constantly cutting in and out on it, so it was kind of a crapshoot if it would actually do that reliably. This thing is sketchy. Just starting off is the worst part. Full throttle. Whoa! Flipped it, and I think my GPS may have flown off as well, but at least most of that crash was in the grass there. All right, so I think that's GPS there. Yep. We're gonna hit stop, read, 65 miles an hour. That's more like it. On that first run, I didn't really get a chance to get into it all the way. So I'll take it, 65. And just to make it official, there we go. The stock Rlaarlo 3S pack with its 4 wires and the 27 tooth pinion gear. Well, there we go, 65 miles an hour right out of the box, but the tires are limiting it. Probably could even go a little faster, but we'll be out again with some foams on here and get this thing up. My goal is 90 with this truck, so stay tuned for those videos. Big thank you to Rlaarlo for sending this out to me, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.